Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to reset keyboard dictionary while keyboard glitching in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and open a main page of settings and then click on general. And now scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset, and here you can see the option reset keyboard or dictionary. Simply click on it and here enter your screen passcode to reset your keyboard dictionary. After that it will be confirmed to reset dictionary. It will never reset any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only destroy keyboard dictionary. After doing that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix reset keyboard and keyboard glitching in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.